It glows like gold and tastes like sunlight. For over 6,000 years, olive oil has been more than food. It's been medicine, currency, and the soul of Mediterranean life. The olive tree is one of humanity's oldest companions. Cultivated before writing, it grew where life was hardest, in dry, rocky soil, and offered nourishment, healing, and light. In ancient Greece, olive oil was sacred, used to anoint kings, athletes, and the dead. Romans called it liquid gold. Empires rose around its trade. To chefs, olive oil isn't a fat, it's a flavor. Every drop tells a story. The soil, the sun, the olive's variety, and the moment it was pressed. Olive oil is alive, full of antioxidants and polyphenols that give it bite, balance, and brilliance. That peppery burn in your throat, that's quality, nature's proof of life. Today, the world is rediscovering what ancient cultures always knew. Olive oil isn't a luxury, it's the foundation of health and flavor. But beware, not all that glitters is gold. So next time you drizzle olive oil, remember, you're tasting history, health, and the essence of sunlight itself. A simple ingredient with a secret flavor that shaped the world. Next time on Secret Flavor, the secret ingredient that changed the world, the original global currency.